Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner for the week of the 24th of February through the 2nd of March. I'm using this kit from TPC Nation, who is no longer open, but this is the Paint It Black 2, which was part of their subscription. So I do have the kit here. And I'm not using the little strips this week because they are already black. And I just thought it was a waste. I do have my Tipsy Dog Designs sidebar scripts. I have my Avalon and 9th date dots, and I also have my week of stickers. So let's just dive right on in because I'm just trying to film kind of quickly. This is a very black kit, which is kind of okay because we're having snow, but there is a touch of green in it, so it's very dark outside right now. But I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing fine this week. Not much is really happening. Winter time for us just doesn't, I mean, I feel like winter time for anybody is kind of just there. So we're not doing much. We're staying indoors because it is cold outside. And I don't want to go out if I don't have to. My husband is going to be gone part of this week on a work trip, which we are used to at this point. That is cool. So where's my sidebar scripts? Okay. So I have one more of these. Okay, cool. I am already using stuff up this year. So we have household. This is where I kind of track all my household chores and errands that I need to run. Next is my daughter. I keep track of her appointments and stuff. I use my name, but this column is for my husband and myself. I have been diligently keeping track of meals, and I am proud to say that I have been to the gym. So I am getting my health back where it needs to be, slowly but surely. I need, yep. And I'm using up a bunch of my things that I need. Like sticker wise, I am going to be hopefully buying more. Actually, I know for a fact I will be buying more stickers for this planner in a couple of months because I am running very, very low on kits. Come on. Okay, there we go. Didn't want to give up his home, which I'm really excited about. Buying new kits for this planner. I am buying, or have had to buy monthlies for this kit, which I did place an order with Sugar Pop Fizz, because I am trying to use Sugar Pop Fizz monthlies in this planner for the year of 2025, because I used up all of my monthlies for this planner last year. So, and I've never actually tried Sugar Pop Fizz kits before then. I do hope they bring back the Pentrix Planner kits, because I did want to buy some of those, but there's none on their website right now. Same with full stickers. But I bought like four monthlies for that planner. And then I bought some other stuff. I bought a couple other things that they had that I liked. So I just grabbed them. Sheets for my memory planner. So there is that. And I'm not putting these on straight today. No, I am not. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and lay out some of these full boxes. Because that's what I'm going to do next. And I am just not laying stickers down straight at all. And I'm going to go ahead and throw these down here for meals. Don't necessarily know what I'm having next week, but that's about right. Okay, I do have my Black Mountain Plans stickers here. I do PR for her, so use Amy B20 to get 20% off your entire order. And I only need one sticker from that because I just need trash, because we have trash every Monday, and I am going to change wax on Monday. Don't have anything else. And then Saturday I do laundry, and we change our sheets. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that down, and she is done. My husband leaves on Monday. And nothing else to mark there, but he comes home. Friday. And there is that. So this plan with me is done. Like I said, this week there's nothing I do have this functional page, which I'm very excited about, because I will add more in as the week goes on and through the weekend, and then I will just add like more stickers here, like so. I'll just go ahead and add these down, because why not? And these will be for meals. For my meals when I figure those out. But ultimately, that is the end of my catch-all plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.